Richard has just got to get ahead of Petter Fuelin. Jake Sanson in the commentary box. Get ready, folks. Sit down, hang on to something, and hold on tight. Engine revs rise, lights on, Avante! Great start by Nagy. Kris Schreiber's gone nowhere, and Richard's alongside Fuelin on the grass. That's not going to be enough to overtake him, surely. He slots in. Richard's had a terrible start. He's had to back out of it on the grass. This could be the championship over already for Kris Richard. With Kris Schreiber going nowhere, Richard is now 2 places behind his teammate Petter Wrigley. It's all gone wrong for Richard. Disaster. And now Motta is leading Nagy. Truffaut is there in 3rd position. In 4th is Fuelin. This is magic for Fuelin. And look at Richard pounding his way past Wrigley round the outside. Now he throws it up the inside of Stefanowski. Kris Richard is getting on with this. He's got no choice. It's all or nothing now for Richard. And it's a similar tale for Petter Wrigley. He knows he's got to get on turn with Stefanowski as Fuelin goes for 3rd up the inside of Truffaut. And with him goes Pellinin. Pellinin's going to go by as well. Truffaut runs wide. Now Richard is the next one on the road. He gets past as well. Magnificent battle. Oh, this championship is going right to the line. And if it stays like this, Fuelin, who is currently now 3rd, will score 6 points compared to Richard on 4. And that will tie the championship.